Hi everyone, today we're diving into the topic of rosacea. If you've ever had kind of flushed or red skin, noticeable blood vessels, you're not alone. Rosacea is a very common topic, but often it's misunderstood. So today let's take a deep dive into what rosacea is, what makes it worse, and how can we manage it both at home and in a med spa or office setting. So what is rosacea? Basically, it's a common inflammatory skin condition that many people are affected by. A lot of times you have these small blood vessels that can help contribute to the overall redness and sometimes warmth that you see that can vary either throughout the day or if you eat certain foods or if you're exposed to different types of environments, making it better or worse. Let's talk about the common triggers of rosacea. Knowing that a lot of times the small blood vessels contribute to it, we want to try to avoid foods that will vasodilate or make the blood vessels bigger. Common things are alcohol, coffee, spicy foods, or anything that's going to kind of bring heat to your face and make you blush in a sense. So you want to try to stay away from these types of foods or try to minimize your exposure. In terms of environmental exposures, you want to try to avoid the extremes, right? Whether it's too cold or especially if you're in a really sunny place, like you're going to the beach or tropical area and you have rosacea, you can sure bet if you spend the whole day out in the sun, your rosacea is going to be much worse. Managing rosacea at home starts with a gentle skincare routine. We want to use products that are soft and gentle on the skin and moisturizing as well. You want to be able to combine these products but not overdo it with too many irritants, fragrances, or any other things that are in a lot of products that are out there these days. Now before you head out for the day, whether it's going to be to the office or you're working outdoors, always make sure to use sunscreen. The best types of sunscreen that really help with rosacea are ones that kind of create a barrier. Mineral types of sunscreens such as titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. These tend to do really well and create again a barrier between the sun and UV rays and your skin, which can really help manage and control your rosacea. Now, if you want to go a step further, there are certain procedures that you can get at med spas or in your doctor's office to help combat rosacea. Chemical peels are very commonly used these days, and they're great for gentle exfoliation of the skin, but the key word there is gentle. You don't want to use anything that's too harsh, overbearing, or that's going to strip the top layer of the epithelium of your skin. It's going to end up causing more irritation. In addition to chemical peels, there are other procedures that can be done in the med spa or in the office setting to really help combat rosacea. First, let's talk about radio frequency microneedling or RF microneedling. This basically is a microneedling device that delivers energy in the form of heat, usually at the tips of the needle points. And what this does is the small amount of energy or the heat that it delivers, how it works is it helps contract the blood vessels. So sometimes you have visible blood vessels along the nose or along this cheek area here. By, again, giving a little bit of energy to those areas, you can really help shrink in and close off those blood vessels, vastly improving the complexion as well as the rosacea. Other types of devices that you can use include IPL, or intense pulse light, or pulse dye lasers. Both of these, again, work by delivering energy to the skin and, again, combating and really going after those small blood vessels to help close those down and again vastly improve the appearance and minimize the effects of rosacea. Rosacea, despite being very common, preventable and treatable, oftentimes requires multiple treatments in terms of microneedling or repeated lasers or just scheduled treatments where you kind of help keep it at bay. Beyond skincare and treatments, basic lifestyle changes can really help complement treatment of rosacea or even skin conditions in general. Again, having a well-balanced diet, staying away from alcohol, spicy foods, caffeine, this can really help. Staying well hydrated, right? That's going to maintain a good skin barrier. Using a good moisturizer as well. Using a topical sunscreen that creates a barrier, zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, these tend to work well. So when you combine all these things and also use some procedures that are available in med spas or offices, you can get optimal results in terms of controlling and preventing your rosacea. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about rosacea or any other skin conditions, leave a comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more.